Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Tuck Notes, beginner stock talk, and my name's Tucker, and I'm creating a GoFundMe account to be able to utilize this programming device, Adobe Premiere Pro. Some of you might know it, I don't. But I know I've asked a few people around that if I have this device or program or whatever you want to call it, it will help me be able to visually show you, everybody, subscribers, viewers, whoever, what it is I'm talking about, instead of doing this and that and all that junk. I think that would be a much better way to go. So it's $20 a month, and any contribution that you have to help this cause would be greatly appreciated. I too am obviously putting in on this, and I have a phone call ringing. So this is a very authentic video for real. Okay, so I hope that you can help Tuck Notes out. All right, thank you. Bye.